Hey guys, just going to make another quick video on how you can produce some bluegrass sounds out of your guitar using the flat 7th interval and the flat 3rd interval. So we're on the 2nd position playing into the shape of G. Last video we went over this G run. As well as this one, which uses the flat 7. I'm going to show you two more phrases that you can use to practice, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to blend all the phrases together. But here's the next one, starting on the 1st string. Slower, that's using the flat 3rd. And here's the next one that uses the flat 7. Again. So again, to practice that, it would be the same method, just a simple strum. Very slowly try to incorporate it in the structure of some kind of tempo, slow as you need. 2 and 3. I'll speed it up just to show you. So anyway, you don't have to play lightning fast or even that fast. Just keep it nice and slow, playing at a steady tempo and practicing that little scale that just gets you used to the flat 3rd and the flat 7. And next video I'm going to show you how to blend the lower register and higher register phrases together so they sound really smooth and really fluid. Anyway, so I appreciate the views and the interest, and I hope this is helpful. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else or if you have any suggestions. Thank you.